How's it going, everybody? Crusader here. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about credit repair software. Now, I've had one guy for the longest time message me asking to give information or to talk about credit repair software. So I'm going to go ahead and do that guy a solid and give him his video. So here we go. Credit repair software. Now, when you say credit repair software, that encompasses a lot of stuff. There's some credit repair software out there that's really geared towards just helping you understand how credit works and helping you fix your personal credit, just you. Now, there's other credit repair software out there that's more of a professional nature, which helps you have or run a business that deals in credit repair and in fixing credit. I think Credit Money Machine is one of them. Now, you'll notice if you're dealing with a credit repair company, a lot of them, they won't accept, Credit Karma or Experian.com. They'll mandatorily make you get Identity IQ. Why are they doing that? I'm going to tell you. Because Identity IQ works really well with these credit repair softwares. And it's easy to integrate that into using their system. Like if you have an Identity IQ account, they can easily import your information that's on your credit report into their software for them to better see, where you're at as far as what you need fixed, the accounts, who they belong to, and, forming strategies in getting things removed and whatnot. The credit repair softwares have, built-in templates for dispute letters, and they really help with organization as far as keeping track of people, of who you're dealing with as far as clients, affiliates, and that sort of thing. Like, people can upload documentation like driver's license, ID, what else? Utility bills, things like that. Because that's the kind of stuff that, down the road, if you're doing a dispute, you're going to need that stuff to present to the credit bureaus. So the credit repair softwares, are they good? Yeah, some of them, they definitely, there's going to be a learning curve as far as being able to figure out how they all work and how to integrate them into your pipeline if you own a business, or if you're just trying to fix your own credit. But, in my personal opinion, I personally do not use them because in my experience, coming up with my own systems of how to deal with things are a lot better than learning someone else's, I guess, but that's just my personal opinion. I hope this helps. Also, I got a special treat for you guys. I know I took down some of my videos concerning Wholesale Tradelines, but after looking at them and watching some of them, man, some of them, they were just too damn funny. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play one of the videos, the video of when Mike was threatening to sue me. I'm going to replay that. Now, I'm just going to say that he never ended up actually suing me, and that all died down, as you guys all know. But man, those are some funny times, and I think it's a shame that those videos would be lost forever. So here you go, a special treat from the Crusader. Roll the clip. We interrupt this regularly scheduled program to bring you guys a special news bulletin. It seems that Mike Rando sent me a message stating that I was now being sued. And also everybody in my channel was going to be looked into too. That's really interesting. I think we finally got to him. What do you think? Funny thing is that this channel wouldn't exist if what went down didn't go down. He promoted a broker program to people for, it was every week or at least, every month, getting people to give him thousands of dollars up front to then close with no warning, no explanation other than, we decided to close the business and, that's it. Don't ask any questions. And then afterwards, the way he talked down to these people that he owed money, I couldn't stand idly by. All these people in my channel, the reason my channel is growing, the reason why we're all laughing our asses off at you and clowning on your ass is because of what you did. You brought this on yourself. So I had to spank you, okay? Now, I mean, all this amounts to is you took people's money and now you come up with these excuses. Let me tell you something. When a line doesn't post after 2 months, 3 months, if someone's selling that, their customer is going to want their money back. That's 3 months for a line to post. There's no excuse for that. There are some people who their lines haven't posted since freaking October. Read in the comments. There are a lot of people here, and you shut off your comments, Mike. You shut off your comments so no one could write because everybody's pissed at you. And you also stopped using your name in your videos because, you now have a bad name. Well, guess what? You brought this shit on yourself. It's your fault. You need to take responsibility for what you did. This is on you, buddy. And guess what? If you don't like it, bye-bye, leave YouTube. Get out of here. Go do something else. I don't know. Find another job. I mean, I ain't going away. Definitely not. I'm just getting started. Are you kidding me? I love this shit. I live for this shit. So if you think this scares me, have fun suing me. Yeah, and while you're at it, you can sue the Easter Bunny, Superman, and Santa Claus, bitch. Crusader out.